Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Our tutorial today is familiarizing ourselves with eCitizen. eCitizen is officially digital payment platform that enables Kenyan citizen resident visitors to access and pay for government services. I'll be taking you one-on-one in case somebody needs any government services. In case you need to get a driving license, you need to in case you need to get a title deed, in case you need to renew for any government services. This is where you come to eCitizen. The very first thing is I'll be guiding you how to create an account. When in creating an account, this is the normal procedure. You will come here and key in your ID number. Key in your ID number. Once you key in your ID number, they'll tell you e.g. the first name as per ID. Then the platform is very digital. We'll say validate. Once it validates, by default, since you've put your ID number here in your first name, it will pick the details. It means this ID number belongs to this name. So then we will key in an email address. We will key in an email address. Once you key in your email address, you will have created an account in eCitizen platform. You'll be able to renew your driving license, another government services. This is a platform that you're able to pay. So when we'll enter our mobile number here, then once we enter our mobile number, I think we'll be good to go. We'll be ready to in case we need to pay for anything online. It will be ready. So we also need to put a password. Ensure you put a very safe password, since this is eCitizen is a government portal. It's a government portal where you're able to store all your critical information. It says the password do not match, so we'll have to repeat the whole process again. Once we key in our password here, we'll have to agree with the terms and continue. Since these were rough numbers, it says ID is already registered. So once you create your own account, you'll have to verify in your email, then verify with your phone number, and you'll be good to go. A photo is not compulsory, but maybe for some high confidential level you need to use it. This is the way the dashboard looks like for the eCitizen portal. This is the one login platform. All government facilities, email address. So we'll come here and be able to log in. This is the eCitizen logged in platform. We can see the national services here in Kenya. If you need to make any payment to the Kenyan government, where the Kenyan revenue will be receiving the funds, this is the way you come. When in the Department of Migration for e-passport, if you want to acquire e-passport for any business registration service, for those people who want to apply for certificate of good conduct, you come here to Directorate of Criminal Investigation. Those who need title deed, land rates, and clearance, you come to Ministry of Lands. Those who want to apply for birth and death certificate online, Certificate of Registration Department, National Transport and Safety Authority. Those who want to apply for driving license, also to apply for provincial driving license, book and get a driving. This is where you come to N National Transport Safety Authority, Office of the Attorney General, those who need marital status, higher education for help, and Kenya Revenue Services. and National Construction Authority. Those who want to apply for permits offered by National Construction Authority. Also, the NEMA is also here. Also, those people who want to access county government of Mombasa, Nyeri, Kisumu, and Kisumu construction in e-portal permit. So this is where you come. In this dashboard, you will be able to get assistance and you will be good to go. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.